Hey, you two. Bunny! Stella! Bunny and Stella, hello. And there's Queenie. What's everybody doing today? Bunny, bunny, bunny. Hey, Stella. Daddy, call both of them up there. See if you can get Bunny.
Come here, Bunny. Come here, Queen. Come here, Stella. Come here, girl. What you doing, girl, huh?
There we go.
What you doing? There you go. Down, off, off. Come on, Stella. Off. Come here, Stella. Come here, girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. You man, don't you? Good.
All right, that's about as good as we're going to get. That's typical introduction, or typical stuff going on around here with these two. I have to send really short bites, so this is all, that was it. She's a good girl.